This video will walk you through on how to add Instant Roofer's contact form to your website. Simply go to instantroofer.com and click the login button. Enter the mobile number you use during signup. Enter the code you receive on your cell phone. Click on the Contact Form embed on the left-hand side. Then let's click on Customize. Inside of our customizer, we can customize the contact form to match your website. Change the title. Change the button text. Enable your Google reviews at the top of your contact form, or disable them. Disable or enable the free no spam, no BS section. Enable or disable spam fighting. And enable TCPA compliance text at the bottom. We recommend you link to your privacy policy on your website. So we're going to go ahead and add in our privacy policy link. When a user submits the form, you can specify the landing page that they go to. A good example is a thank you page. So we're going to go ahead and set that now. Now let's go ahead and customize our colors of our form. You can change the text color, background color, and button color. At any time you make a change you don't like, you can undo changes and go back to what you had before. Choose from a list of certifications or accreditations that you want to show in the slider. Once we've completed setting up our certifications and accreditations, we can save and see what our contact form is going to look like. Let's go ahead and copy our embed code by clicking Get Embed Code and choosing whether we want tracking for Google or not. We'll copy the embed code. Once we've copied the embed code, we can go to our website and start creating a page for our contact form embed and clicking on Add New Page. We're going to go ahead and set a title that's simply Contact Us. We're going to add a new block and we're going to choose HTML block. Now we're just going to simply paste in our embed code. Let's go ahead and publish our page. Let's go ahead and copy the page URL and then click on View Page. And here's our contact form. Now let's go back to our home page and add a button to our Contact Us page. Let's simply edit the home page. And then we're going to add a new button next to our Instant Online Estimate button. As a best practice, you just want to call it Contact Us. And we recommend setting a different color action for the button than your other action, which is Instant Online Estimate. We're going to paste in the URL for the Contact Us page and hit save. Now we can click on View Page and we can see our Contact Us button. We click on it, it takes us straight to the Instant Roofer free contact form embed. Let's go ahead and test it out. Let's go ahead and submit. And as you can see from earlier, we were redirected to our thank you page. Back inside the dashboard, we can click on our leads list and we can see our test form submittal. In our leads list, we can see the date, the homeowner's name, the email status, the email, the phone, the IP address, and the certificate. When we click on the certificate, we can see all of the homeowner's information, including a video replay of what they submitted. This is perfect for TCPA compliance.